Welcome to our van life with our 4 good dogs, episode 50. We're at Adventure Van Expo in Santa Rosa. Set up camp this weekend with the storytelleroverland group and met people from all over van life. Stay tuned for more. Richmond Bridge. Chihuahuas. We made it. Look at all the vans. And they just happen to be doing a monster trucks. Where are we?
Adventure Van Expo.
In
Sonoma.
Yeah. Santa Rosa.
Good morning from our van life. There's Boba, Jabba. We just woke up. It's 10 a.m. and we are here in Santa Rosa at the Adventure Van Expo.
If you know us, you know what time it is.
What?
Boom.
Huh?
Brunch time. It's a nice layout. Ooh, that's cool. Purify. Oh, they got the winch.
Yeah, I mean,
That says like.
stuff to put.
Get the screws won't work after you turn them around. Okay. So you gotta get
12,000.
Oh, this is where they are.
Oh yeah, Sierra.
My dad, we got 67 of Hobby Road.
So right now we are at the end of Saturday of the Van Expo, and Miss Pia is hanging lots of doggos around. So she's hanging with Miss Bo, and then our neighbors Pete, who's the lead admin from the Facebook storyteller group, is having a tiki party, hosting it up. And so we gave a little extra space for a good reason, because we knew we were going to be having the party late night. We partied until about like 1, but it's working pretty well. We got the head drinkologist, mixologist here doing work.
Doing a mocktail for these storyteller folks. They're not drinking right now.
Oh, nice. Because they're on the clock still?
No, they're on the cleanse.
Oh, okay.
On the cleanse. Jordan, well, Evan doesn't drink, but Jordan's on the cleanse. So.
Nice.
So yeah, whip up a little.
Maybe it was after Bisbee was necessary. Okay, Pia, what's going on now?
Hi everyone. So we are enjoying our afternoon in our van, outside the van. It's still pretty sunny and warm out here. And I got BobaFett. She's also enjoying the warmth of the Santa Rosa Adventure Van Expo weather.
Now we're having a fun time hanging out. We got a hot puppy right here. And we have a fun little gathering. A lot of the vendors and show runners are next door to our van, hanging out, having a little happy hour with our friends. And so going over, mingling a little bit, hanging out here in our van and just enjoying the beautiful Santa Rosa weather. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of the evening, see where it takes us, and we'll see you in the morning.
See you later.
Oh my god, it's going crazy. Baba, what are you doing? There.
Did she drink water?
Yeah. I got her excited. Oh my god.
Why?
Look at her.
What's she doing?
What are you doing, Bobo?